Hey everyone, welcome to She Makes 31. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful and affordable fall wreath. Let's get started. I'm going to start off cutting all the tags off of my florals. I did get extra florals because you just never know if you're gonna need more. And all of these are Dollar Tree. One of the things I do at the store is I kind of put them all in a bunch. That way you can see what it looks like together and see if that's kind of like the look you're looking for. I wanted to go with a little bit of more of a muted orange, just muted colors. I thought would look really cute. So we got the berries. Now all of these are from Dollar Tree except for these. I got these at Michael's. They were 50% off, so I got them for $2. I just couldn't resist. I thought they were so cute, and they just brought like, different texture and just a whole different element to it that would coordinate really well. And I'm gonna also be using some ribbon to put a bow in here. And these Harvest, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this yet, but I got this at the Dollar Tree. It was in a set of 3. One said thankful, one said welcome, and this one says Harvest. So this is a grapevine wreath, and I love it because you don't have to glue anything in here. You just can put it in and secure it like into the branches. And I've been doing this for years and I've never had a problem with anything falling off, and that's using it on my front door. This one I'm going to put over a mirror so it's not going to be moving around, so I don't have to worry about that even less. Go ahead. Your wreath, and you want to be able to see where you're going to hang it from. You want to pick a strong branch that you can either use a wreath hanger with or some ribbon or something like that. However you're going to hang it. I'm going to use a command hook on my mirror since it doesn't have anything to mount it on. And I'm going to trim this off. That's the good thing about these. You can kind of do a little maintenance on them. Get them to look like you want. And now this is a messy job. Alright. Now you can fill this up completely with florals, or you can do like half, like a C shape, or like even the bottom. It's up to you, really. That's the cool thing about it, is you can customize it however you'd like, and you could do this for all the seasons too. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this. I'm gonna do mine with the bottom. I got 3 of these, so I think I'm gonna use those first and see what they look like. Now you could just stick these in here. And this is, a lot of it is just playing around with it because you want to see what things look like. And there's no wrong way. Now these I do like, because they're individual flowers, I do like to cut these. So I can kind of place them wherever I want. Again, you can just wrap it around the back and it stays put. If you want added security to that, then you could always, hot glue gun it to your wreath. but that'll be like a permanent solution. So the cool thing about these, I change them out for the seasons. So I take this out and it gives me a little bit of a different look every year. If I want to change out the florals, I can. So yeah. Turn this around, and this is what it kind of looks like in the back. And if you wanted to, you could also attach like floral wire and like wrap it around with some floral wire, which you could also get at the Dollar Tree. But I like to kind of come in and just tuck the ends in, just kind of loop them around. That way everything is nice and flush. Sit up against your surface nicely. Just tuck them into these branches here. And I'm telling you, they don't move. Unless you're, I don't know, constantly slamming your door or something really hard. I don't know, but I've never had a problem.
This is how it turned out, and I absolutely love it. The muted colors just make it feel so warm and cozy. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This one's the one I made for my front door, a little bigger. Please make sure you like this video, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a little bit of everything on here: cleaning, DIY, mom life, lifestyle, just some crafting, sewing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!